Nginamkeleke bafowethu khona la ku Big Space. Namhlanje ke bafowethu ngizothinta ke la indaba ke nje trendayo indaba yakhe ku Dr Khumalo. uDr Khumalo uyifake inkingeni bafowethu ngenxa ke ye-comment kayenzile lapha ngenkathi ke khuluma ke nama journalist ekhuluma ke nje lapha ngamathima kwi-PSL ebethinta kakhulu ke lapha indaba yayo ke Sundowns njengoba ke Sundowns ineyinkinga. Ngizokudlalela ke le clip and le clip ke imfake nje ukukhulumeni okukhulu uDr Khumalo. Abanye ke abalandeli belinye ke iqembu uzoyizwela nje mbukela uthi ngiqale ngidlale iclip so that uzothola ke lento kahle kahle ecasule abantu kungaze ngikhulume kakhulu.
You know, it's okay for you to pose it in that fashion, but I would want to see any team in the PSL to challenge Sundowns without problems. Why do you have to wait for them to be crippled and then you take advantage of that? Then you are not at the best, and we don't want to say you are the best. They have internal problems. Make sure that you yourself, you fix yourself and face them when they don't have problems. Then I will like salute. But at the moment, I can't say that. You're waiting for them to be in a situation where probably there's crisis within the club, and you want to come and tell us that I've beaten Sundowns. Yeah, no. They're going through a phase. It's what we call, again, a footballing problems. So I just hope and wish that they overcome that and become the Sundowns that we know, because they make this PSL game, the PSL League, exciting. They produce a lot of team players for South Africa, and we can't celebrate when Sundowns are having a problem. I'm praying and hoping that they resolve their problems, because we can't afford to lose Sundowns.
Especially on the continent.
Yes, because remember, I'll tell you one thing, that Sundowns are very important to us. When the draw was made here World Cup, they asked the Mexican coach, what do you think about South Africa? He was talking about South Africa, but he answered by saying, I saw Sundowns playing in the Club World Cup with this and that. You understand what I'm saying? So this is the reason why I'm saying these guys, they've taken the flag, the pride of the nation to another level. Countries, teams respect South African football because of Sundowns and Pirates and all the teams that have played outside.
Ya ngiyathemba ukuthi ke uyizwile. So abalandeli bayo ke Pirates ke babhore kakhulu ke lento esho uDr Khumalo, because kuyezwakala obvious lapha uthi uDr Khumalo ukhuluma ngayo Orlando Pirates. So bayasho khona ukuthi ke vele uDr Khumalo akayithandi Pirates, unomona, like basho nje izinto eziningi bafowethu. Angazi ke mina into esho uDr Khumalo ukuthi ke ngabe iyiqiniso na noma ingamanga, kodwa ngendlela ke nawo umuntu kobuka ibhola iPirates kade ke iqalile iperforma kahle. Ayiqalanga nje manje, sinesikhathi iqalile, yaqala even ngenkathi iSundowns kusakhona uRulani Sundowns isadlala kwangempela, isaperforma ngalendlela le yayisezingeni lapha phezulu. Yayivela iPirates nayo inika inkinga yona ke iSundowns. Ukuthi ke icomment yakhe uDr Khumalo nama angazi, kodwa ngicela ukuthi ke ungitshele lapha ezantsi wena ukuthi wena ucabangani ngayo yonke le situation. Impela ke abantu abaningi nje bakhuluma izinto ke eziningi ezahlukahlukene, kodwa ke impela ke abalandeli bayo ke Pirates abayithandanga ke lenkulumo, abayithandanga nje kakhulu abayithandanga, babhorile impela. Abanye basho khona ukuthi ke uundermine umsebenzi wakhe ke lapha uIvan Khoza nayo ke lapha imanagement yayo ke Pirates basho khona nje ukuthi uyayizonda. Abanye basho khona ukuthi kumele ephume lapha kwaSABC ngoba vela ayikho into akayenzayo, like bakhuluma izinto eziningi ngenxa ukuthini, ngenxa ukuthi nabo abayithandanga ke lento eshow yena lapha uDr Khumalo, bathi akabanga professional. So zinjalo ke mbukeli izoke lezi kade kuphathele zona indaba ke impela isematheni eyifake na kuDr Khumalo enkingeni.